The sun is a massive ball of burning gas at the center of our solar system, essential for life on Earth. It's primarily composed of hydrogen and helium and functions as a giant nuclear reactor, converting hydrogen into helium through nuclear fusion, which releases an enormous amount of energy. This energy travels through space and reaches Earth as sunlight, vital for photosynthesis in plants, helping them grow and produce oxygen. Without the sun, our planet would be a frozen, lifeless rock. The sun is about 6 billion years old and has enough fuel to last another 5 billion years. It's about 93 million miles away from Earth, but its immense size means it still exerts a significant gravitational pull on our planet, keeping us in orbit. One fascinating fact about the sun is that it accounts for 86% of the total mass of the solar system. You could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside the sun. Despite its size, the sun is just an average-sized star compared to other stars in the universe, some of which are hundreds of times larger. The sun goes through an 11-year cycle of activity known as the solar cycle. During periods of high activity, we see more sunspots and solar flares, which can impact satellite communications and even power grids on Earth. These solar flares can release as much energy as billions of atomic bombs. The sun also influences our weather and climate. Its energy drives the water cycle, causing evaporation, precipitation, and helping to regulate temperatures. Solar radiation can also affect our atmosphere, contributing to phenomena like the auroras seen near the poles. Interestingly, the sun's light takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. So when you see the sun, you're actually looking at it as it was over 8 minutes ago. This light travels at a speed of approximately 186,282 miles per second. Did you know that the sun will eventually become a red giant? In about 5 billion years, it will expand and engulf the inner planets, including Earth. But before that happens, it will shed its outer layers, creating a beautiful planetary nebula and leaving behind a white dwarf. The sun's influence extends beyond just providing light and heat. Solar winds, streams of charged particles from the sun, travel through the solar system and can affect space weather, impacting satellites and astronauts. The sun also has an intriguing structure, with several layers including the core, radiative zone, convective zone, photosphere, chromosphere, and corona. The corona, which is the sun's outermost layer, is surprisingly hotter than its surface, reaching temperatures of millions of degrees. Lastly, the sun inspires awe and wonder across cultures and has been worshipped as a deity in many ancient civilizations. It's a reminder of how interconnected we are with the cosmos and how the sun's presence is fundamental to our existence. In summary, the sun is not just a star, it's a source of life and energy, driving the natural processes that sustain us and the planet we call home. Its dynamic nature and immense power continue to fascinate scientists and laypeople alike, reminding us of the vastness and complexity of our universe.